Afternoon class. I hope you all are safe at your homes and doing questions properly, watching video carefully. Beta, we all are doing so hard work for you people. So please do hard work and study more and more. The videos are available for you so that you all can again and again watch them and clear your doubts. Okay, and we are having Zoom class also. Whatever doubts you all have, just note it down somewhere so that whenever Zoom class will be there, Zoom meeting will be there, you all can clear your doubts. Okay. So last time we all have completed our exercise 8C. Today I am going to explain you exercise 8D. Yesterday I have give you the introduction part of this. Now everybody open page number 68, exercise 8D. So question number 1 is pick the prime numbers. Pick the prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? I told you the number which is divisible by 1 and itself only. The number which is divisible by 1 and itself only, they are prime numbers. So the first question is your pick the prime numbers. ठीक है, प्राइम नंबर्स को आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. एंड योर ए पार्ट इज 2 is there, and then we have 12, then we have 13, and we have 40. Okay, so these 4 numbers are there. You just have to find out that out of these 4 which of them are prime. ठीक है, 4 में से प्राइम नंबर्स कौन से हैं? You just have to find them. As I told you, the prime numbers are the one which are divisible by 1 and itself only. ठीक है, so 2 is the smallest prime. So we will say that yes, 2 is the prime number. ठीक है, you just can put a tick mark on your book also. Book में आप tick mark लगा सकते हो. 12 is not a prime because it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 6, and it is divisible by itself as well. So 12 is not a prime number. Now 13, yes, 13 is a prime number because it is coming in the table of 1 and itself. Okay? 13 is your prime number. Next is our 14. So is 14 your prime number? No. 14 is not your prime number because it is coming in the table of 2 and then coming in the table of 7 and itself for 1 with the other name. Is it clear? In the same manner, you all can do B and C part on your own. B and C part you have to do on your own. Is it clear? Now the second question is pick the composite number. Pick the composite number. As you know what are composite numbers, I told you in the yesterday's class. If you don't know, then just again watch the video and clear your thing कि what are prime and what are composite numbers. So pick the composite numbers. The composite numbers are those numbers which can be divisible by any other number other than 1 and itself. 1 और itself के अलावा भी अगर वो किसी और नंबर से डिविजिबल होता है तब हम कहेंगे कि that number is a composite number. So just check. A part is your, the number is 6, and then 15, then we have 19, and then we have 21. ठीक है, इसके बाद है हमारा 21. So just check 6 is a composite number or not? It is coming in the table of 2, in the table of 3, and itself for 1 में तो आता ही है. So yes, it is a composite number. Then we have 15. 15 is also a composite number क्योंकि वो 3 की टेबल में भी आता है, 5 में भी आता है, itself में भी आता है, 1 में भी आता है. Next is 19. 19 is not a composite number, it is a prime number because it is not coming in any of the table other than 1 and itself. ठीक है. Next is 21. Yes, 21 is a composite number because it is coming in the table of 3. 3 7s are 21. In the table of 7, 1 or itself में भी आता है. Yes, it is a composite number. Is it clear? I think they are so easy ना, composite number find out करना, prime numbers find out करना. They are really easy if we know the exact definition. Now your next question is write all the prime numbers below 30 and how many are they? You have to write all the prime numbers that are below 30 and then you have to count how many of them are prime numbers, those who are below 30. So let's find out all the prime numbers below 30. They are, सबसे पहले 2 is the prime number, then we have 3, then we have 5, 7, 11, right? 13, 17, 19, 23, ठीक है, 23 के बाद we have 29. So these are all your prime numbers which are less than 30. Let's count them. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will write they are 10 numbers. They are 10 numbers. Okay, we just have to find out now how many prime numbers are there. So we have just written they are 10 numbers. Is it clear? Now your second question is write all the prime numbers between 40 and 60. So in the same manner you can write 40 और 60 के बीच के you just have to find out. बेटा जब भी it is given to you between, so never consider the first and the last number. जब भी it is given कि between numbers आपको निकालने हैं तो never consider 40 and 60 in that. ठीक है, आपको between 40 and 60 बोला है ना, तो 40 और 60 को consider नहीं करना. वैसे भी they are not primes. Is it clear? Now C part is write two prime numbers whose difference is 1. You have to write two prime numbers whose difference is 1. This question I am doing for you. ठीक है, you just have to write two prime numbers. So what are the two prime numbers whose difference is 1? You just have to find out. ऐसे आपको prime numbers find out करने हैं जिनका difference 1 है, यानी जिनको आप subtract करो तो 1 आए. So only two prime fractions are there, 2 and 3. When you are subtracting 3 and 2, then you will get 1. So what are they? 2 and 3. If you want to show, then you can show them also. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So therefore 2 and 3 are two prime factors whose difference is 1. Is it clear? In the same manner, if it is given to you, is there a prime number which is even? If so, which number is it? As I told you, the only even prime number is your 2. 2 के अलावा there is no any even number which is prime. So only even prime number is your 2. So you will say yes, there is a prime number which is prime and the number is 2. Is it clear? Next question is question number 4, A part. Write all the composite numbers below 20. ठीक है, 20 के below you just have to find out all the composite numbers. How many are they? और वो कितने हैं? तो below 20 the composite numbers are, as you know, 1 is neither your prime number nor your composite number. So what will be the composite number? It will be, सबसे पहला composite number है 4, then we have 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 18. That's it. ठीक है, 18 के बाद ना तो 19 होता है एंड ना ही आपका 20, तो हमें लेना ही नहीं है बिकॉज बिलो 20 है. So let's count them. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they are 10 numbers. They are 10 numbers. Okay? Is it clear to you? Is it clear? Now the next question is write all the composite numbers between 15 and 25. So 15 और 25 के बीच के composite numbers you have to find out. So find it out and write them. It is very easy. C part, write the two smallest composite number whose difference is 4. You just have to find out the two smallest composite numbers जिनका difference 4 होता है. तो ऐसे कौन से composite numbers हैं जिनका difference 4 है? तो as you can see कि 4 is your composite number and 6 is your composite number. But आप इनका difference करोगे तो you will get 2 only. But ऐसे कौन से होंगे? तो if I take 4 and 8 तो उनका difference 4 होता है. तो yes, we got the answer. 4 and 8 are two smallest numbers. 4 and 8 are two smallest composite numbers whose difference is composite numbers whose difference is 4. Is it clear? So we got the answer. In the same manner you have to complete till question number 5. ठीक है, आप question number 5 का completely complete कीजिएगा and also the example of this exercise also. Exercise 8 लिखिए, कुछ examples are there, little bit of them are there, I think 1 or 2 examples are there. उन्हें करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा and try to understand the concept. बार बार वीडियो को देखो, बार बार उसको समझो and उसके बाद rest of the questions we will do tomorrow. Okay, so good luck, take care and stay safe.